Here we see our farmers making their composts. It's a communal compost with biochar. So these are the layers to be turned. We're also putting green material there. Here they're also reducing the particle size for our biochar. We don't want it to be too big. That's our feedstock heaps. Another one here with the greens, there with the dry matter. There also more dry matter, different types of feedstock. We also have a bit of manure here, which is also being mixed. This is our biochar. Very nice particle size there. Okay.